This video is part 3 of navigating EzyManager. With my portfolio Smith shares in focus, let's look at the tabs right up the top here and how they work in conjunction with the map. Starting with File, this is where you back up all your EzyProgram workspaces, including portfolios, so you don't lose valuable information in case of a computer crash or you want to transfer your workspace to another computer. You click on System Backup. It's a good idea to back up to a different drive or USB. Select the destination of the backup from the list here. If selecting a USB drive, don't forget to insert the USB first. System Restore works in reverse. Say you have installed the EzyPrograms onto a new computer, then clicking on System Restore and selecting the backup file will bring in your backed up information. The Home tab is the main tab, with the ribbon displaying actions relevant to the asset in focus on the map. Directly below the ribbon, you can see the name of your portfolio and the date range being displayed. Also on this line is the overall and annualized performance of your portfolio. This display is on every screen. The Reports tab contains a selection of portfolio and tax reports, which you can either print or export. The reports will reflect what topic you have in focus on the map. So for the overall portfolio, make sure the focus is on the portfolio name. The Preferences tab is where you can alter the global settings of the program. By default, inactive holdings are not displayed, and the overall performance is used if the time frame for annualized is under a year. This brings us to performance type, which can be set to annualized, overall, both, or just turned off. Here you can change the date order of events from descending to ascending. You can also sort the event or reporting dates by double-clicking the heading. Next up here is the Data tab. If using Bodo 6, you can update the data by clicking on Catch Up. The other actions are for anyone managing events and adjustment for price data imported from an external data source, such as ComSec. Under Tools, if you have EzyChart and EzyAnalyzer, you can open them from here. The Help tab is where you can access online help files, upgrade the software for any updates to the current version, email support with any issues, and here useful system information. Lastly, the Portfolio tab has more actions that can be performed on your portfolio. The actions change depending on the asset you're focused on in the map. If the focus is on the headings, for instance securities, then clicking on Portfolio Actions displays new actions. You can bring up your initial holdings if you need to make any changes, add a member, delete a portfolio, add a portfolio expense, maybe your annual data subscription for instance, add income. This is for any miscellaneous income, not where you would enter your dividends. You can also import various activity into your portfolio. This is handled in a separate video for those wanting to use this feature. If I now put the focus on the trading account, you can see the ribbon has changed to reflect actions that can be done on the account. Thanks for watching.